Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming the Face ID failure in Settings and on the lock screen. Open Settings and look for Face ID status and any error messages displayed. Check the front camera area for visible damage after any drop or water exposure. Ask if the screen was replaced previously with a non-Apple part. Ensure your iPhone has at least 50% battery before running tests. Reboot the phone and retest Face ID after that short power cycle. The only reliable fix for a failed Truedepth camera is a genuine replacement and pairing. Apple pairs the replacement module to your device logic board using secure tools. Only Apple stores or authorized service providers can perform this secure pairing correctly. Third-party replacements commonly cannot complete the pairing process and will leave Face ID disabled. Book an appointment with Apple or an authorized technician, and for service, back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer to protect your data. Power off the device and remove any case or screen protector before the appointment. After Apple or an authorized service replaces and pairs the module, perform a new Face ID enrollment in good lighting. Test Face ID across multiple angles and while wearing glasses if applicable. Prevent future failures by avoiding drops, water exposure, and unauthorized screen replacements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.